Well, hello, guys. You're with me. Let me start this laundry first. Hold on. All right, there we go. So, yes, right now I am doing the unglamorous job of laundry on New Year's Eve. But it's a good thing because we want to prepare for the new year. So I'm like literally cleaning up the house like a 9-month pregnant woman who's due to deliver any day, where you're just like mad crazy cleaning up everything, every corner, on the floor, in the corner, on your hands and knees with a toothbrush. Well, maybe not exactly, but you get the picture. Hey guys, welcome. Happy New Year's Eve. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, but seriously, I'm not here to just show you guys laundry the whole entire time. But drop a 1 if you're cleaning up like mad crazy today too. If you're just like cleaning up the house. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I see Annalise. I see Muriel. I see Rebecca. Welcome, guys. All right, so here's the deal. I need you all's help. I'm going to go on the beach today. I'm going to go live maybe right around sunset. And so I want you all to help me to choose my topic. I want to do one of two things. So just let me know which one you prefer. Would you rather I get on there and do an emotional release with you guys, where you can let me know what you want released and what you want manifested for the new year, and I'll stand in agreement. And I'm telling you, when you lock agreement with somebody who really believes 110%, get ready, because you're going to manifest like mad crazy. So it'll be twofold. Number 1 is I'll throw your negative emotional toxins into the ocean, and number 2, I will believe with you what you want to manifest for the new year. So let me know if you want to do an emotional release, or if you would rather me give you the number 1 tip why the number one reason why people tend to forget their New Year's resolutions by the last day of January. So if you want me to do an emotional release and step into agreement with you with what you want to manifest for the new year, drop a 2. If you want me to tell you the number 1 reason why people forget about their New Year's resolutions by the last day of January, the number 1 reason, drop a 3. All right, so Annalise is like, let's do this emotional release, baby. That's number 2. So all right. So the winner is going to be the most popular. If I see more 2s and emotional releases, then I'm doing that. If I see more 3s and the number 1 reason for failure, then I will do that one. So I'll be looking at these all day, and I will see you guys at around sunset. Remember, I'm on Eastern time, around sunset at the beach. So far, it looks like emotional release is the popular one. But again, I'll be looking at the replay comments as well, and I will see you all tonight at the beach. Bye.